How to fix Telegram download stuck easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Telegram download stuck problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the top here, you will find the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it again like this. Now last thing you wanna do is go to the apps manager on your phone. Open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone, so just scroll down until you find Telegram and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page, or what you want to do here is click on force stop and then click on the storage, click on clear cache like this, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.